Hello everyone, very good evening. This is Shrikant. Okay, so welcome to Excel Vidyarthi, all of you. Today I am here with a very important discussion regarding the concept of equilibrium. Okay, so what is the meaning of equilibrium? When the resultant of the entire force system acting on the body is equal to zero, then the body is said to be in the equilibrium. That is fine. Now, here in this problem, I want to calculate what is the force P required to keep this body in the equilibrium. What is the force P required to keep this body in the equilibrium or to keep this body at rest? Our discussion is about the static equilibrium only. Different types of equilibrium I will be discussing in the course that is coming soon. Okay, so all of you, so first of all, this P I will be calculating by using the equations of equilibrium. So before writing the equations of equilibrium, we have to draw the free body diagram for that. Okay. So the first thing in the free body diagram is nothing but weight of the body acting downward. Okay. And the second thing is nothing but what the normal reaction acting perpendicular surface. Okay. So this becomes the weight all of you and this becomes the normal reaction, that is L. Okay. And here one more important point is I am assuming that this surface is smooth surface. If it is smooth, there is no possibility for the friction at all. Okay. So now we have to know the angles made by the forces. So tell me all of you, what is the angle made by this weight with the inclined plane? There is an inclined plane and there is a weight all of you. Okay. So tell me, here we have a right angle triangle all of you. From this right angle triangle, this is 30. Okay, and this will become how much? 90. Can I say this remaining angle has to become 60 or not? Because the total angle is equal to how much? 180 degrees. So upon the resolution, okay, or let us go for a representation of some other axis clearly all of you. So before going to resolution, my suggestion is what you try to frame some fixed reference axis here like this. Okay, so where this is nothing but x, nothing but y. I am taking inclined plane as x, normal as y. Okay, even you can take horizontal as x, vertical as y, same answer you can get. But my suggestion all of you, whenever we have a block resting on the inclined plane, you better take inclined as x and normal as y. In less number of steps you can get the answer. So now all of you, this is my x-axis. Here I am just writing. So this is my x-axis all of you, and this is my y-axis I can write. Okay, so x, this becomes y. Okay, now you try to place all the forces in this xy plane. Okay, so first thing is the weight acting downward all of you. Next thing is the normal reaction we have. At the same time we can have the force P. Am I right all of you? So what is the angle made by P? Extend this line all of you. So by extending this line, you can definitely have this angle is nothing but how much? 30 only. Tell me all of you, this angle 30 will be definitely equal to the same angle 30 or not? Yes. Okay. So this becomes an angle of how much? 30. And this becomes an angle of how much? 60 we have seen already. And this becomes normal reaction and this becomes the weight. I am applying the first equation of equilibrium all of you by writing sigma fx equal to 0. We can have definitely what So P multiplied by cos 30 minus W multiplied by cos 60 is equal to 0. At the same time, summation of Fy is equal to 0. We can have N is acting upward, P is acting downward. So P sine 30. About resolution, I will be telling completely and clear next coming hours as the free full course. Nothing to worry about that. Okay, and this becomes what W multiplied by sine 60 is the case. Now by solving these two equations, we can get the value of P all of you. And if you go for the application of Lami's theorem, in one single step you can get the answer. So P divided by angle between other two. Okay, can I say this angle has to become 60 plus 30, 60 plus 90 is how much all of it becomes how much? 150. So W divided by angle between these two, it has to become sine 120. Now tell me all of you, in one single step, are you getting the value of P or not? So all of you, that is the case. Thank you.